I have a surprise for you! It's from Batman vs. Superman. RC Batmobile from Air Hugs. Inside the box is a remote control and a Batmobile. It's so awesome because there's 2 guns in front of the Batmobile. Now let's open the box. We have instruction manual. A USB charger is below the box. 2 AA batteries not included. Let's turn on the Batmobile. And we're good to go. Let's start counting and have some fun! Yay! 2 trucks. Four vehicles. Six Star Wars characters. Eight, 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 colorful plastic cups. 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 colorful plastic balls. Two trucks, 4 vehicles, 6 Star Wars characters, 8 colorful plastic cups, 10 colorful plastic balls. Bye, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Trucks, backward, the orange ball. Orange car. It's from Disney Cars.